How to change your Bluetooth name on a Mac. If you want your devices to show a custom name instead of the default one, you can update it in just few clicks. So let me show you how. Firstly, if I open this control setting over here and I will click on this arrow to expand Bluetooth, then Bluetooth settings, you can see that this is my name, which is going to be like displayed to anyone who is trying to connect to my Bluetooth. So this is my name, Enrico's MacBook Air. And to change this, we want to go to General, then About. And from here you can see this is the name. So if you change this name, it's going to also change the name of the Bluetooth. So you need to double click on it. And it might ask you for password to verify it's you. And after that, you can simply change it. So let's say I'm going to change it testing name. I'm going to confirm it by pressing enter. And now it should be displayed as a testing name. So I'm going to refresh it, about, and as you can see, testing name. So if I open again Bluetooth settings, you can see the Mac is describable as testing name, while Bluetooth setting is open. So this is basically how you can change your Bluetooth name on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.